Good morning, dear hearts. We're at lesson 153. And anytime we get to lesson 153, we have the realization of what a big lesson this is, what a powerful lesson this is. But right now, it's June 1st of 2020, and this lesson is even more powerful and more poignant and more on point than I could ever remember it being for all the times I have done it. In my defenselessness, my safety lies. And this lesson is about strength and weakness. And this lesson is about the fact that we think that if we are defenseless, we are being weak. But actually, when we are being defenseless, we are standing in our strength. It is a reminder, also a rewording perhaps, of lesson 135 that tells me if I defend myself, I am attacked, because that means that I believe I am attacked. This lesson does not condone violence. This lesson is the antithesis of violence. This lesson is much more in line with Martin Luther King and Gandhi of non-violence, resistance for change, because this lesson is about how can we change our mind and take up what this lesson is telling us. And only for the next few lessons does it mention what our ministry is. Our ministry is us accepting that salvation is sure and we are part of it. And I am here as my function to extend that peace. I am here as my function to extend defenselessness and to let everyone know to the best of my ability that there is another way. And attack begets attack. Defense begets attack. When I defend, it's because I think I can be attacked, and I attack back. Sometimes I attack before I am actually attacked, because I have the belief that I can be. When I stand in defenselessness, when I stand in the strength of all that I truly am, all that we truly are, which is the extension of this amazing thought of peace and wholeness that we often call God, or Source, or Creator, or Universe, or Great Spirit, or Buddha, however we identify that, or Mohammed. We need to identify with our strength that comes into being defenselessness, because that means I am willing to see things in another way. I am willing to see things in a way that will promote peace. I do not condone any of the actions, and I hope this doesn't come across that I am. I never will condone violence, because that's not what the Course is saying. But the Course is saying over and over again that we have to find another way so that the game of fear is gone. It is a game that we are playing, and we will never win it. So today, the practice is in the morning for a minimum of 5 minutes. 10 would be better, 15 even more so. Perhaps go to 30, and to sink into this idea of great peace, to sink into this idea that I really have no need to defend myself when I stand with God, and to sink into this idea. And there's a wonderful quote in the text that says, "If you knew who walks beside you on the way that you have chosen, fear would be impossible." Let me sink into that thought today, so that I can attain my strength, I can attain my peace, and then I can give it away to everyone, every hour, to expand it and expand it, because now we are all practicing our ministry, why we are here, our purpose and our function, which is the peace of God. I hope this helped. If it did, please share it. Please subscribe. And I hope to see you here tomorrow. Remember, the way is the way of peace. And this course is about seeing that over and above any other path. Namaste.